Greetings WordPress bloggers, welcome to another Black Friday Cyber Monday deal. The sale is for Flatsome theme. This is, in my opinion, the best WooCommerce theme ever made. Currently on sale right now, $24 off for only $35. This is one of my top 3 all-time best themes ever made for WordPress. It is especially good for WooCommerce, and it's got a fantastic rating, 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's got all the bells and whistles of any premium WordPress theme and more. One of my favorite things is their custom-made UX builder. It is a live page builder with a huge element library to customize and create beautiful and professional looking page designs. Let's check out some of the demos, and I'll leave the link to the demo and the Cyber Monday deals page down below for you guys to check it out. Here is the demo for Flatsome, very clean and professional, and one of the best things is it has pre-made templates for WooCommerce that you can easily import with one click, along with all the example data and product. So let's take a look at some of these demos that you can directly import. Here's an example of a shop, very clean, professional, integrates directly with WooCommerce, which is free. And here's another design, very different, and has features like seasonal sales with countdown timers, every feature for e-commerce you can think of. And here's one with a grid design. And one more demo. This is for a business agency, and Flatsome can also work without WooCommerce. You can use Flatsome to build any kind of WordPress design. It doesn't have to be for WooCommerce. This is truly one of the best WordPress themes ever made. I highly recommend you check it out. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more upcoming internet marketing deals. Thanks again, and happy blogging.